Have you ever wondered why so many new ventures fail, despite the founder's initial enthusiasm and confidence? In this video, we'll uncover the 3 most common mistakes people make when starting out and reveal how you can avoid them. You might be shocked to learn that some of your current attitudes and behaviors could be setting you up for failure without you even realizing it. Don't let your dreams crash and burn. Subscribe now to arm yourself with the knowledge you need to succeed. 1. The confidence conundrum. Beware of unfounded extreme confidence. When starting a new project or business, it's easy to fall into the trap of overconfidence. This phenomenon, known as the Dunning-Kruger effect, occurs when people with limited knowledge or skill in a specific area overestimate their abilities. For example, a novice entrepreneur might believe they've come up with a revolutionary business idea only to realize later that they've overlooked critical market factors or competition. To avoid this, maintain a healthy sense of humility and seek feedback from experienced mentors. Conduct thorough market research. Before diving into a new venture, spend time researching your industry, competitors, and target audience. This will give you a more realistic view of the challenges ahead. Seek out constructive criticism. Actively look for honest feedback from experts or potential customers. This can help you identify blind spots and areas for improvement that your initial confidence might have overlooked. Set measurable milestones. Break your project into smaller, achievable goals. This allows you to track your progress objectively and adjust your confidence levels based on actual accomplishments rather than assumptions. 2. The Valley of Despair. Don't quit too early. After the initial burst of confidence fades, many people hit a low point where they realize how much they still have to learn. This Valley of Despair is where most give up, mistaking temporary struggles for permanent inadequacy. For instance, a budding programmer might feel overwhelmed when faced with complex algorithms, leading them to abandon their coding journey prematurely. The key to overcoming this is persistence. Recognize that this phase is normal and temporary, and push through it to reach true competence. Build a support network. Connect with others in your field or join entrepreneurial groups. Having a community to share experiences with can provide emotional support and practical advice during tough times. Document your progress. Keep a journal or log of your journey. Regularly reviewing how far you've come can boost motivation when you're feeling discouraged. Develop a growth mindset. Embrace challenges as learning opportunities rather than failures. Reframe setbacks as valuable data points that bring you closer to success. 3. The mundane reality. Expectations versus actuality. Many people start projects with grand visions of excitement and constant inspiration, only to be disappointed by the day-to-day realities of hard work. This disillusionment can lead to burnout and project abandonment. For example, an aspiring YouTuber might envision a glamorous life of creating content, but soon realize the grueling reality of consistent filming, editing, and promotion. To survive this, adjust your expectations and find joy in the process of improvement and small victories rather than constant thrills. Establish a routine. Create a structured schedule that includes both the exciting and mundane aspects of your work. This can help you stay productive even when motivation is low. Practice mindfulness. Use techniques like meditation or deep breathing to stay present and find value in the day-to-day tasks. This can help you appreciate the journey rather than always focusing on the destination. Celebrate small wins. Regularly acknowledge and reward yourself for completing tasks, no matter how small. This can help maintain a positive attitude and motivation during less exciting periods of work. Embarking on a new venture is indeed a modern-day adventure, filled with unexpected challenges and valuable lessons. If you're intrigued by the idea of turning your dreams into reality and avoiding these common pitfalls, keep watching our previous videos. We tackle more ways to overcome obstacles, achieve your goals, and reveal the surprising truths about what it really takes to succeed. Your journey to mastery and fulfillment starts now. Are you ready to take the first step?